Hello guys and girls, so a new video. It's been a while, and I wanted to make a quick video. It's not a particularly in-depth guide, but this is something that's cropped up recently, and I've seen it in a few places on the matched betting scene. I actually saw this from a guy called MatchedBettingGuy, be good to follow him. I'll put links below and stuff, but yeah, so this one's quite a good one. So what this is, it's not match betting per se, but essentially what we're doing is we're risking £1. I say risking, we're not really risking it, but you have to deposit £1, and then when you deposit that £1, they will give you something that you can then potentially sell for profit. So what are we talking about? We're talking about trading212.com. Now what they currently have, and this may change at the time of like the recording from when you watch this and stuff, but at the time of recording this now, they've basically got this offer on where if you go to their website, I'll show you the link in a second, all you need to do is sign up, you deposit £1, and then a couple of days later, I think it's a couple of working days later, they'll actually give you a free share. And with that free share, you can then sell it at its current price, and you can instantly make profit, and then close the account if you wanted to. So how does this work then? So what you need to do is, firstly, you need to go to this URL. I'll put this URL in the description below. Now, this is an affiliate link. What this basically means is that you will get a free share if you sign up. It also means that I will get a free share if you sign up as well. So it's kind of, we're both benefiting from this, but essentially you can get a free share from going to doing this offer. All you need to do is you need to register an account. In terms of registering the account, it's really straightforward. They just ask you a couple of things. There's no sort of crazy investment terminology there that you need to understand. It's literally like name, address, and stuff like that. It's just the usual thing. Now, as part of that process, one of the things that they ask you for is the type of account that you want, and we want to go for the invest option. Don't go for the ISA or the CFD stuff. And then at the end of the sign up process, you just then literally need to deposit £1. And then once you've deposited that £1, I think you can see a balance in here somewhere. Yeah, you can see it here. Look, like here's my £1 that I deposited. Now, obviously, because of the nature of shares, they move up and down all over the place. Mine's gone down a little bit, so it's now 99p, which is how these things work. That's to be expected, so no bother there. But what's actually happened is, I think I signed up on Saturday night, and what they've done is they've given me a free share. You can see it down here. Look, it says instrument, which basically means the name of the company that you're buying the share, that you've got the share in. It says the quantity is 1 and the price is £12.47 at the moment. Sorry, no, the price was that, and then the current price is £12.07. So you can see the value of my share has gone down. Now, if I was to want to sell this, all you need to do is you just click on the actual share itself, and it brings up this window. And you can see it says buy at this price, sell at this price. So you would just go in here, you would click sell, set the quantity to 1 because you've only got one share, and then you would say click on this close position. Close position basically means sell, basically, close your position in this trade that you've currently got, and you would sell. Now, that would basically mean that I would that would give me £11.45, £11.46, because it's changing at the minute, at the time that I sell that share. So that's not a huge amount, but it's basically £11.50 for absolutely free, and all you need to do is sign up. And you don't know, you could get a share that's a lot better than the one I've got. You could get a share that's worth a lot more money. I think it goes up to like £99 or £100 or somewhere around that mark. So yeah, so sign up, use the link that I've got in, I'll put this in the description. Like I say, I'll put this link in the description. Sign up with an account, select the invest option, deposit £1. You wait a few days. You don't get the share instantly, the free share. Like I say, it's a couple of business days that they take to deposit this. Just keep checking your account. I didn't get an email or anything to say that they'd put this in my account. So I basically checked my account, saw that was there. But what happens at the minute is, because this only went in for me yesterday, is they have like this lockup period where you can only sell the share in, like, I think it's on Thursday. So if I try and close this position here, then it says bonus shares locked. You have one bonus share of Rib Software locked until Thursday at 22 minutes past 8 in the morning. So basically I've just got to wait until till Thursday morning. Now the price could shoot up, the price could shoot down, but you know, that's the nature of things. But looking at this graph, I mean, this graph looks pretty drastic, right? It looks like it was quite expensive up here, and you know, but you're only talking like 41p there, and it's now 8, so you know, 30 something p difference. So you know, you're still getting your free £12, or £100, obviously depending on what share you get. But then once you've done that, yeah, you know, it's free money at the end of the day. And like I say, just for transparency's sake, this is an affiliate link. Obviously I will get a couple of shares if people sign up to it, and I will make some profit off that. That's, you know, that's secondary. But the main thing I wanted to let you guys know is that this is potentially an offer to spend 5 minutes, if that, doing something and just getting some free money. And you never know, you might get some really nice amounts. You know, you might hit the 100. So yeah, so that's it, guys. I just thought I'd let you know about this one. Like I say, I got this from MatchedBettingGuy. I'll link his stuff down below. And yeah, and thanks for watching, and I shall catch you in the next one. So cheers, bye.